Hello and welcome back to our new series of tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you one more program. In this program, we are going to replace the spaces of string with a specific character. So how we will do it? Simply, without wasting your time, I am going to write string like str, and then here we will initialize it something uh, like tech3 is a Java programming tutorial. Simple. Now what are the special character that we will use here is something like this. So let me increase the size of these things here, and let's I will increase the size by will increase size here so that you can see it clearly. So here what are the special character? The special character like hyphen, at the rate symbol, hash, dollar, ampersand, ampersand, or some percentage or ampersand or anything, right? So where we are going to, here it says we are going to put into the spaces of the string, means middle of somewhere here where we are having white space. So our output will be something like this. Suppose we are keeping uh, the hyphen, then it will be something like this, hyphen, and that will be done with the help of very small method. So actually if you are beginner, then you can go through this tutorial. In case you are experienced or intermediate, you can directly skip it out. No need to learn, but this is just for the learning string and dealing with the string, how we can deal all those things. Now without wasting your time, I will just jump into IDE and simply we will start coding there, which is very common. I hope you have understood about this question. So here my main intention is to save your time. So I have already created this package. I have already created this project where I'm going to source folder and create our package. So like usual, I'm doing string dot program, and there only we will define a class saying replace with special character, and we are done. We'll hit enter and we can start, right? So here spelling is a bit different. So here it is spelling to the name file. I will rename it and write main method, and simply like we have given our string like str, from here, from our notepad we will simply copy this name, this literal, and we will put double quote. After this we are going to put semicolon to avoid any compilation that we were seeing right now, and we will define one character. What will be the character that which we want to replace? Simply, in case we want to replace it the hyphen, we will put hyphen, right? In case we want to replace it with the at the rate special character, then we can do that also. Let's now we will start with simple hyphen. So what we will do, we will define a string is equal to str. Here we will put str is equal to str dot replace. We are not going to replace all, right? So here we will go give replace, and wherever we will find that there is something white space, we will put something like this, and here we will put our character. Simple. This method replace will take two parameters. First is whatever we want to replace, and second parameter that what we are replacing with, right? Now we will jump and we'll put out system dot out dot println. It is very simple. We will give our custom message string after the replace of special purpose, right? So here we can do, this is very easy, something like we are going to do, and just we will pass our string, right? This is very simple program, one line of code, and we will run it, and we will see what is the thing, right? Here it is like bit mistake in spelling, tutorial, right? So you can see as the output it has replaced all the white spaces with the hyphen. Can we try it with the @ampersand? Of course we can try and run it. So what it is saying? Okay, it is saying this is not closed properly. Now again we will run it and see whether the things has been replaced or not. And in the console we can easily see. So this was very small program, guys, no need to worry about this, and in case you are beginner then only you can watch it, that too fast forwarding, not required to waste much time in this. This was just a general knowledge about the string. Whenever we will run about the string classes, string builder and buffer, I will go and deep dive into this more specifically and deeply. So that's it, guys, we are done with that, and I don't think you will have any problem in this kid program. This is like kid size, but it's okay. And thanks for the day, have a good day, bye bye.